loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys some of my Christmas decor. Some of them I did do DIY. I did it by myself, so I wanted to share with you guys all my Christmas decor. Most of it is from Dollar Tree. Of course, I love Dollar Tree. Down here, those little gift boxes are from Dollar Tree. And then I did hang up some garland. Now this garland's been with me since I got my house, so it's been about 3 years now, and this garland is staying strong. I absolutely love it. I love to decorate my stairs. Now this is my centerpiece of my table. I just decorated very simple, not too much going on. I got my flowers from Michael's. They were 50% off. And then I do have my Bath and Body Works candles. I absolutely love these candles. Next, I have my tree. I absolutely am obsessed with my tree. I just got a new tree this year. I got a flock tree. I've been obsessed with flock trees, and I'm so excited that I finally got one this year. And I got mine at Walmart. Now, all of my decor is from At Home, Michael's, and some of them are from Hobby Lobby. Absolutely love how it came out. The skirt I did get at home. It was 50% off, so I definitely took advantage of the sale, and I love it. I love my tree. Next, I have my dining table. Now it's very simple, but I love it like this. I got these little I wouldn't even say flowers, but they're like little sticks. I got those from At Home. And then the centerpiece with the gold flowers, I DIY myself. I got them from Dollar Tree and I glued them together. And then the lamps, I got them from At Home on sale. And then over here on my table, I do have these wine bottles, and I DIY these a couple of years ago with my aunt, and I've been using them ever since. I absolutely love them. I use them every year. I just love how they look. And then the box I did DIY myself. I put some Christmas trees in there and I added flowers. I glued them. I love how it came out. It was just so easy to DIY. Absolutely love it. Next, I have my island. I absolutely love my island. Like I said, I DIY'd these flowers right here. I got them from Michael's and from Dollar Tree. And I just hot glued them and put it together, and I made a centerpiece out of it. The reindeer, I got it a very long time ago from At Home. It's staying strong. Absolutely love it. And then I did DIY those and just put garland and a flower. And yeah, that is basically it. That is all my Christmas decor. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye, loves. Mwah.